Once upon a time, there was a man named Jack who had everything he ever wanted in life. He had a successful career, a loving wife, and 2 beautiful children. However, Jack was always seeking more. He was attached to material possessions and the idea that he needed to constantly strive for more to be happy. One day, Jack's life took an unexpected turn. He lost his job, and his wife filed for divorce, leaving him with nothing but his thoughts and his belongings. Jack was devastated and fell into a deep depression. As time went on, Jack realized that his attachment to material possessions and the need to constantly strive for more was the cause of his suffering. He realized that true happiness comes from within, and he needed to let go of his attachments and embrace the present moment. Jack began to live a simple life. He sold most of his possessions and started to appreciate the small things in life, such as spending time with his children and enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning. As Jack let go of his attachments, he started to feel more content and at peace. He realized that his happiness was not dependent on material possessions or external circumstances, but rather on his inner state of being. Years went by, and Jack's life had completely transformed. He had started his own business, which brought him great joy and fulfillment. He had also remarried, but this time, he was able to appreciate his wife for who she was and not for what she could provide him. One day, Jack was reflecting on his journey and realized that his greatest lesson was that attachments in life can cause suffering. He learned that letting go of attachments and embracing the present moment is the key to true happiness. The moral of Jack's story is that we all have attachments in our lives, whether it's material possessions, people, or ideas. However, these attachments can cause suffering and prevent us from experiencing true happiness. By letting go of our attachments and embracing the present moment, we can find peace and contentment in our lives. Hello there, please drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.